What your legal team notices before the judge ever does. Long before a judge hears your case, your legal team starts noticing patterns. Not just isolated events, patterns. That matters because family law cases are rarely decided by one text message, one bad exchange, one late payment, or one angry statement. More often, the case turns on patterns over time. Does a parent consistently show up late? Or was it one bad traffic day? Does someone refuse to communicate? Or was there one tense exchange? Does a party hide financial information, or was a document simply overlooked? Does someone follow court orders even when frustrated, or does he or she treat orders as suggestions? Your legal team is looking for the difference between noise and evidence. Noise is everything that feels upsetting in the moment. Evidence is what helps prove a legally meaningful point. The distinction matters. A rude message may be unpleasant, but legally useless. A series of messages showing repeated interference with parent time may matter. A single late reimbursement may not justify a fight. A repeated refusal to pay court-ordered expenses may matter. A vague complaint about money may not help. A complete record showing income, spending, transfers, and unpaid obligations may matter. Legal assistants often see these patterns early because they help organize documents, messages, disclosures, deadlines, exhibits, and communications. They see whether information arrives clearly or in pieces. They see whether a client responds promptly or waits until everything becomes urgent. They see whether the same issue keeps coming back up because it was never documented properly in the first place. They also see when clients accidentally weaken their own cases. For example, a client may complain that the other party sends hostile messages, but then respond with messages that are just as bad. A client may demand strict compliance from the other side while ignoring deadlines himself or herself. A client may want the court to believe he or she is the more reasonable parent while sending communications that look impulsive, sarcastic, or threatening. Those things matter, not because your legal team is judging you as a person, but because the court will judge the evidence. The best thing a client can do is help create a clear, consistent record. Save the message, send the full screenshot, include the date and context, follow the order, and stay calm in writing. Do not create bad evidence while trying to prove the other side created bad evidence. Family law cases are stressful, and nobody handles every moment perfectly. But patterns matter. Your legal team notices them early because those patterns often become the case.